What's the meaning of adherent? Adherent. 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 The term adherent refers to a person who supports or follows a particular belief, ideology, or individual. The result of being an adherent can vary depending on the specific context in which it is used. In religious contexts, being an adherent may involve following the tenets and practices of a particular faith, attending regular worship services, and participating in rituals and ceremonies. In political contexts, adherents may support a particular political party or ideology, attend rallies and protests, and engage in advocacy and activism. Adherents can also be found in other areas, such as sports, where fans may be considered adherents of a particular team or athlete. Overall, being an adherent involves a strong commitment to a particular cause, belief, or person.